In front of me is Honor 8A, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select apps, and now click on apps to open all apps. Then select more icon, which is 3.1 in right upper corner, and click on reset app preferences. And if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions, just click on reset right here. And that's it. You've just reset app preferences. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.